It's time to rebuild our island. The hurricane is over, but in this video I'm going to talk about it as well as give engagement. Wahgwan, my people, it's your host Jovan Russell from Russell AI Investor here. And today we're talking about something heavy, something that has touched every single one of us across this beautiful island of Jamaica, Hurricane Melissa. We've faced her fury. We've seen the winds rip through our homes, the rains flood our streets, and the aftermath, the destruction can feel overwhelming. Many of us have lost so much: homes, livelihoods, a sense of security, and it's okay to feel that grief, to feel that sadness, even that anger. It's a natural part of what we've been through. But what I also see amidst the debris and the downed power lines is something else. I see the spirit of Jamaica. I see us, my brothers and sisters, already getting up. I see hands reaching out, communities coming together, strangers becoming family in an instant. This is who we are. This is our strength. I know it's hard to look at the devastation and imagine a way forward, but remember our history, remember every challenge we've overcome, from slavery to colonialism, from natural disasters past to economic hardships. Jamaica has always bounced back. We are a resilient people, forged in fire, standing tall. So how do we do it? How do we rebuild not just our homes, but our lives and our hope? Start small. Don't look at the whole mountain. Just focus on the next step. Clearing one branch, nailing one board, making one meal. Every single small action contributes to the bigger picture. Lean on your community. Don't suffer in silence. Talk to your neighbors, your church family, your friends. Offer help and accept help. We are stronger together. Stay informed. Follow official channels for updates on aid, resources, and safety. Knowledge is power, especially during recovery. Protect your mental health. This is crucial. It's okay to not be okay. Find moments of peace. Talk about your feelings. And if you need professional help, please seek it. There are resources available. This isn't just about putting bricks back together. It's about rebuilding our spirit, reinforcing our bonds, and remembering what truly matters. Our culture, our music, our food, our laughter, these are the foundations that no storm can ever wash away. So, to every single Jamaican watching this, don't give up, don't lose hope. We are in this together, and together we will not just rebuild, we will rise stronger, more united, and more beautiful than ever before. One love, my people, one love.